Bonjour, ma croissant. Welcome back to Elite TEF Prep. If you're prepping for the TEF Canada exam and want to boost your reading score without feeling overwhelmed, you're in the right place. Starting today, I will be posting one reading practice video every single day using real TEF style questions, the same questions that have appeared in the past exams. The best part? Every new word and expression we learn in today's lesson will be listed in the description below so you can review the vocabulary anytime and build your French little by little. Throughout this series, I'm going to show you the exact techniques that make the reading session feel much easier, even if you're not fluent yet. So grab a notebook, pause whenever you need to, and let's start with our very first question. Alright. Okay, the technique is you have to go word by word so you can actually understand what everything means. The more you do, the more you'll know what the words mean and what kind of vocabulary is actually used in reading section. Okay, the first is le service civique permet aux jeunes. That means le service civique means the civic service. Permet means allows. Aux jeunes, that means young people. So the question is the civic service allows young people to, and then there's four options right here. We already know what this means. Service civique. En France, that means in France, of course. En means in. Vous pouvez. Now this is conjugated. Pouvez is a conjugation of pouvoir, which means can. Vous is you. So vous pouvez means you can. Effectuer, that means to carry out or to do. Un service civique, that means a civic service. Il s'agit de un engagement volontaire de 6 à 12 mois. So it includes the is of, so DE is of, an engagement or a commitment. Volunteer of 6 de 6 à 12 mois. That means 6 to 12 mois is months. Over here, the is from. So from 6 à 12 mois. Au service de, that means in the service of. In the service of. The is of here. L'intérêt général. In this case, it means the public or the general interest. D'une durée, with a duration. Durée is with a duration. Now, this is a very important word and you must know what this means. Hebdomadaire. Since H is silent, hebdomadaire, which is weekly. Now, you're going to see a lot in the reading. Weekly. The over here is again off. De 24 heures minimum. That means 24 is 24 hours. Off 24 hours minimum. Indemnisé. He is. Indemnisé means rewarded or compensated. So, compensated 580 euros per mois. Per mois is per month. Of course. Le service civique, that means the civic service, est une expérience unique. That means is a unique experience. Ouverte à, that means ouverte is open. Open to tous les jeunes. That means tous means all young people. From, to over here is from 16 à 85 ans. Et no Q with you is silent, of course, is jusque up to 30 ans. So 30 years to 30 years en situation de handicap. That means with a disability. If there is a situation of disability. Sans means without. Condition de diplôme. That means without any requirement of the diploma. Seul. Seul means only. Votre. Your. Motivation. Compte. Compte means count or matters. We're gonna zoom in a little bit. Oops. Vous pouvez, again, you can. Réaliser, that means to carry out. Votre mission, that means your mission. De service civique, very straightforward. Now this is very good. Auprès de. Auprès de means with or at. In this case it means with, because it has une association, that means an association with a collective territory, with an establishment, public, a public establishment or an institution, or un bailleur de logement social. Bailleur de logement means landlord, housing landlord to be exact. Ou means or, des services de l'État, with the state services. Now, if you look at it, you know what this is about. It's about in France, if you do some kind of civic service, it includes with engaging, being a volunteer for 6 to 12 months. The important information is it's weekly, it's 24 hours. What's the amount of the compensation? What are the institutions that you can do it with? So you already know what are the institutions and what are the important informations. Now you need to know what are the options. Like if you look at it, you do not know any verbs. That's completely fine. Again, we are going word by word. De prouver leurs compétences à l'international. That means to prove. This means to prove. Leur means their. Compétences means skills internationally. Participate. Bon is proper. O here is in. So basically to participate in proper fonctionnement. Fonctionnement is functioning of the society. Bénéficier d'emploi pendant 2 ans. That means bénéficier is benefit from a job. Pendant is in or during 2 years. The other one is d'obtenir un diplôme à l'issue de leur engagement. That means to obtain a diploma à l'issue, outcome de leur of their commitment. So the options are to prove skills internationally, that is not an option. To participate in a proper functioning of the society, this could be. To benefit from a job, no, it's not a job, it's a volunteer position. To obtain a diploma, you're not getting a diploma. So our answer is de participer au bon fonctionnement de la société. this is our answer. This is gonna take a lot of time. I understand that. Let's do another one. So I'm gonna zoom in a little bit. Pour is sometimes for or in order to. Rester is to stay or to remain. En bonne santé. En bonne santé means to stay healthy or in good health, because bon is good, santé is health. So in order to stay in good health, dash des fruits et des légumes. Now these are very straightforward, that means fruits and vegetables. Alright, so my options are acheter, manger, vendre, préparer. Now these are already conjugated in vous. If you look at it, they're all conjugated in vous. So acheter means to buy. Manger means to eat. Of course, we see our answers right there. That's very easy. Vendre means to sell. And préparer is to prepare. Now we already know the answer to that is manger. So these are also the type of questions that do come in the reading section. So that's it for today. I'm gonna post another one tomorrow. I understand this does take a lot of time, but with practice, this is the best way to understand if you are just starting or this is your first time doing reading. That's it for today. I'm gonna see you in the next one. Until then, please subscribe and happy learning.